Hey you guys, it's Jess Raj. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are tuning back in, welcome back. I'm glad you came. And if you're new, definitely subscribe, like, and comment. Today, we are going to do some press-on nails. So with me living in the state of Georgia, as you all have heard, that we have been opening places back up. So I would like for people who live in the state of Georgia, between here and Texas, whichever states are trying to open back up, please take this in consideration. This is our lives on the line. And if you really trying to get your nails done, baby, go to the store and get you some press-ons. I already have to do press-ons because, like I said, I'm a surgical tech student, so I cannot wear nails. With me doing press-ons, this is like the easiest way. I can still look cute and then bam, pop it off and go back to school and class and surgery the next day. For the ladies who are just having a hard time, and gentlemen who are just having a hard time with, they really want y'all really want to get y'all nails done. Like, y'all really want to get y'all nails done. But look here, don't risk your health trying to go to these places and getting your nails done. Baby, press-ons will do it, okay? And I will walk you through how I do mine. So it will be just like a piece of cake. It's not hard at all. And that saves some money within your pockets. So the first thing that you want is, of course, press-on nails. So you want these, of course, and glue. Yep. And then a nail filer. And by the way, I got this from the store. Dollar General, I want to say. LA Colors. LA Colors is pretty cool. They got some nice stuff from makeup to nails. They're pretty convenient. And then I just have another. And then you have a little bit of lotion. Moisturizing cream. Needs for your hands. You don't want no ashy hands and some cute nails. Nobody. No. Okay, so the first thing you want to do before you get this whole thing started is to definitely wash your hands. Got to give it a good scrub before you get into it, because those nails are not going to stick. They're going to pop off. So definitely wash your hands. Next, I'm going to moisturize my hands. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you do not want no ashy hands and some purty nails. Look here. Get them fingers moisturized, boo. And that wrist. Next, I file my nails down to, my preference of how I want my nails to be right before I put the press-ons on. Press-ons on. That's funny. Okay, anyway. So I file it down to how I like it. And the reason why I do this is because you do not want your nails to be sticking out from the press-on. That's just tacky, okay? You don't want that. So file it down as close as you can. You don't have to file it down to your skin, but file it down enough to the point that your actual press-on will cover your actual nail. Alright, so this is how my nails came out. Try to get them as short as I could, but not, too short. There we go. A drink helps you out, get you through life. Okay, alright. So the next thing I used was the little prep nail pad. This is what cleans your nails, kind of give it an extra little clean to it, make it, helpful for the nails to stay on a lot better when they're extra clean. By the way, I do this 2 times because I'm just so extra. I just like my nails to be extra clean. Like I said, 2 times doesn't hurt.
And another drink. Mmm. So I just took them out, and they're just so pretty. I like them. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so when it comes to the nails, before you put them on, you might want to measure them to make sure that they fit your finger, okay? Because if you pick the wrong nail, like, it's gonna look tacky, okay? So always make sure you measure your nails before you start gluing them on.
These are the nails that fit me perfectly. I have thick thumb problems. Don't judge me. And over here, this is what I had left. So this worked perfectly. Extra nails.
So I sized my nails up with my fingers, and just want to kind of give you guys like a little thought. So some of these press-on nail kits, they have like adhesive little stickies. So I don't really like these because like it's too much. And then too, when you wash your hands one dang on time, it's gone. It's wrapped. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick example of how that kind of plays out. One of these little stickies. Okay. And what you do is you put it on your finger, so you kind of already know like which one it goes to because it's kind of sized up. If I can get it on there. If that dog don't hush. So it's on there. So it's like a two-sided sticky little adhesive tape. And we're gonna peel it off if I can. This is the hard part right here of getting this off. Oh, I think I see it. Oh, there we go. Ah. So you're gonna peel this off. Oh, come on now, I just had it. Okay, there we go. So I don't know if you guys see that. Peeling that off, right? It's a little thing. And then you would put the nail on here and it'll stay on to a certain degree. You know, that looks a little crooked. Hope the lip ain't doing that. Ooh. Okay, so it will stay on. That definitely looks crooked. But anyways, so it will stay on to a certain degree. But let's say you wash your hands quite a few times a day, right? As of now, the stuff we're going through. It's so crooked. Ooh, that irritates me. But it looks straight right here. No, it's definitely not straight. Okay. But anyways, but yeah, so it's like it will stay on. So I'm going to keep this on while I glue the other ones on. This is just kind of like a little protege.
Okay, so I open up the glue, and you have to be very careful with this. Sit the glue somewhere where it will not get stuck on anything. So this is the first thing I'm going to put on. So you want to layer the glue over your nail just enough to cover it up. So when you put the nail on, it will fully stick onto it. Kind of give it about 10 to 15, 20 seconds to kind of, you know, get stuck on there so it'll stay. Okay, look at that there, looking professional. Okay. Yo, when I say I had a hard time with this fingernail, y'all, oh my God. When I say oh my God, oh my gosh. So, the first thing what happened was I picked up the wrong damn nail. And I was like, oh damn, this ain't it. So I put that down, picked up the nail that I needed, and this would not stay for some apparent reason. I was just so over it. And then after that, it went on crooked. I was just like, you know what? Just F my life. I'm over it. Finally got it on there. Note to myself and yourself. Be careful with the glue because you will super glue your fingers together, which I have done numerous times. So we're done with that hand. So now we are on the other hand. So I did a little sticky earlier in the video, and it's still on there, you know, but at the same time, it's gonna be gone. So I tried another method to kind of show you guys another way how you could put your nails on, but do I really care for this way? No, I don't. You can definitely put it in the nail and then put it onto your finger. This method doesn't always help me sometimes, but you know, it'll go on. And this little sticky right here, you see how it's just so easily to peel off. I don't like that at all. So, you know, so we're gonna go ahead and put the glue on it. So this is the end result. Look at them nails, looking like the girl spent some money on those, but only $8. Okay. So I do an extra drying by using my blow dryer, so it kind of, you know, helps my nails dry a lot quicker. Okay, the way your girl bank account is set up. Okay, look here, we can't afford no nail dryer. Okay, we're gonna make this work. I have no clue what was going on with my wall, some type of shortage, but it was quite frankly pissing me off.
Okay, so this is the outcome of my little nails. Okay, so this one did come out crooked, and that's why I was trying to show another method of instead of putting it on your finger, putting it within the nail. And I usually don't do that, but I used to, and I come to find out that it kind of makes my stuff crooked for some reason. I don't know how that happens all the time, but usually what I do is I will, you know, of course, like you said, like you saw, I put the glue right here on my nail, exactly enough to, you know, kind of cover my nail, and then I put the nail on, and then I lay it right here on something steady and try to measure and size it up and make sure it's straight enough so it doesn't look like a crooked nail like this. Look like I'm about to throw up a gang sign. I don't have time for it. But yeah, so I'm liking this. Okay, don't judge me. I know it don't match my outfit. It's cool, you know, but it's cute though. So this is the easiest route for me right now, especially like I said, being a surgical tech student, and right now when we're under quarantine and the craziness of people really going to go get their nails done and right here in the state of Georgia. Like, save your money. Keep it simple. So I like this, but every time I go out of town, I like to do press-ons because it's so quick, it's easy. I don't pay too much money. And I did press-on nails for my birthday, and I did press-on nails when did my trip to Vegas with my sister and her best friend. So they're convenient. You can't not like it. You can't unless you just really want to spend all that money. That's on you in your pocket. I did have some similar nails to this while I was in Vegas, but they were more like bluish and purple, and they matched my crochet little locks and everything. So they are somewhat water resistant. It's just the fact that you just can't be in water all day. Like if you had a pool party and everything, like I was in Vegas, you know, they will hang on. These would, if you glue them on just enough, they look at baby, they will stick through with you, okay? But those adhesive tape, these little tapey, sticky things, look here, you're going to have nails floating all around the damn pool or two right after you wash your hands. They're going to be bloop, 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 just like that. So at least with the nail glue, like you would have to be like in water constantly or washing your hands constantly throughout the day. And this is, like I said, this is just for one day or two, just to look cute, just to try and, you know, keep yourself up. So I give it like a day or two, probably me washing my hands and everything. They'll pop off probably by time tomorrow evening or so. Same thing when I was in Vegas, like I said, like they was right. These my little nails was rocking with me while I was at that pool party in Vegas. And about time I touched back down here to Atlanta, yeah, they was like, nice knowing ya, bloop, 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 and my nails were gone. So, but it's good for that moment, and it'll hold you off. And you look who you save some money. Look at you. being responsible. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please definitely give a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're already tuned in and subscribed to this channel, thank you for coming back. And definitely hit the notification button at the bottom, so every time I upload a new video, you guys will know. And if you are new, hit the subscribe button so you guys can have more time with me. You guys stay safe, have a good night, and if you ain't gotta leave out that house, boo, don't leave out that house. Do it yourself.